his chicken in the coop. He was very excitable and prone to foolishness. One day he was doing nothing, as usual, when an acorn fell from the sky and hit him on the head. It knocked him senseless. When he came to, and off he ran without making a plan. And it was not long before he bumped into Henny Penny. And off they ran. Still no plan. And within minutes they ran into Lucky Ducky.
Where are you going in such a hurry? The sky is falling! The sky is falling! We must tell the president! Oh, I must join in.
So Lucky Ducky didn't want to be left out, joined in, and off they ran. Still no plan. Momentarily they ran into Loosey Goosey.
Where are you going in such a hurry? The sky is falling! The sky is falling! We must tell the president! I might join in.
And off they ran. No time to make a plan. And before you knew it, they ran into Cocky Locky.
Are you going in such a hurry? The sky is falling! The sky is falling! We must tell the president! I might join in.
And off they ran. Still no plan. As it was growing dark, they ran into Turkey Lurkey.
The sky is falling! The sky is falling! We must tell the president!
And so off they ran. And soon the anxious little flock grew tired. They were not used to all this running. And then they ran into